Hey class, welcome back to Chapter 5 Matrices. Today we'll be looking at Exercise 5F, Applications of Matrices. So today does use what we learned in our previous session on multiplying matrices, this time in context or worded problems. So we'll jump straight in with an example. Two shop assistants, Anne and Bill, made sales of jeans and shirts as listed in the first matrix, which is given here. The retail prices of jeans and shirts are given in the second matrix. So the way that we read these, remember that matrices are like tables. Anne sold 3 jeans, 5 shirts. Bill sold 6 jeans and 4 shirts. Jeans cost $60 and shirts cost $45. So what is the total retail value sales of each person? So already we can see that the column headings in the first matrix are the same as the row headings in the second matrix, so we know that they're going to cancel out. We can also see that this is a 2 by 2 matrix and this is a 2 by 1. So we have to be multiplying the first matrix by the second, not the other way around, otherwise the numbers in the middle don't match and matrix multiplication is not defined. So to calculate the retail value of the sales of each person, we need to multiply matrix 1, which is the number of each item sold by each person, and then multiply that by the cost matrix. Okay, you could give these any definition that you like, maybe S for sales and C for cost, or you could jump straight into the calculation. Now, to review multiplying matrices by hand, of course, you can do this on your CAS. We're going to use the run and dive method. So we run across the first row and dive down the first column. What that gives us is a solution in the first row, first column of the solution matrix. So we get 3 times 60 plus 5 times 45. Okay, so we've run across the first row and dove down the first column to give us an answer in the first row, first column. Repeating for the second row and still the first column, okay, to give us a solution in the second row, first column of our solution matrix. We get 6 times 60 plus 4 times 45. And of course, all that's left now is to simplify. You can do this on your calculator or in your head if you really like. We get 405 on the top row and 540 on the bottom when we simplify each of these. They are, of course, in dollars, and this first amount is the amount that Anne has sold and Bill has sold 540. So that's it. That's our solution. That is how we use matrices to complete problems. When in doubt, typically it is the column of the first row should match, the column of the first matrix should match the headings of the second matrix rows. Okay, so just highlighting that for you really quickly. These here match these, and these are the numbers here that would be cancelled out. So rows and columns would cancel out in our matrix multiplication. So also a really good way to check that you're doing things the way that you need to. As always, guys, good luck with the work. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will speak to you all very soon.